Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. To effectively manage, monitor, and control the evidence on your respective portal, it is necessary to have the right to define its accessibility as per your requirements. Applying security policies on a portal allows you to define governance controls that determine who can access your portal and view evidence published in the evidence library. VIDIZMO DEM allows you to control who can access the portal and view evidence published in the evidence library. By applying security policies on your portal, you can increase its security and reduce the risk of a potential security breach. In this video, we will be looking at managing the security policy of your portal. You can access the security settings by clicking on the navigation menu on your portal's homepage and select Control Panel from the Admin tab. Security policy includes certain preset configurations like public, restricted, hidden. These configurations are based on common user requirements. However, you can also customize the security settings according to your specific requirements. The public security policy is preset and is designed to make uploaded evidence in the portal accessible to everyone. It ensures that all evidence can be viewed and accessed anonymously by both registered and unregistered users. It allows manager plus roles to add users to the portal manually by using their email addresses. Users with join requests can join the portal without waiting for the admin's approval, and all users can participate by providing feedback on evidence and sharing the evidence. Restricted security policy limits access to portal users only. Only portal users can access published evidence and portal cannot be accessed anonymously. Users can be added to the portal with email addresses, but all join requests need to be approved by the administrator or manager. Moreover, this setting only allows portal users to participate. Hidden security policy only allows portal users to view uploaded evidence on specific portals. Account users cannot access that specific portal, and it also remains hidden from being listed on other portals. The portal cannot be accessed anonymously, users cannot be added to it manually, and join requests cannot be sent by default. You can also set access control according to your preferences, by customizing the security policy and selecting options that suit your needs. VIDIZMO DEM allows you to set customized security policy to meet specific security requirements, so you can control who can access your portal and view the uploaded evidence. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.